Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to start chapter 6, My Childhood, from your book Vihype. Chapter 6, My Childhood. It's not my childhood, it's APJ Abdul Kalam's childhood. It is an extract from the autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam, Wings of Fire. It is an extract from the Wings of Fire that is an autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam, 11th President of India. He was the 11th President of India in 2002. APJ Abdul Kalam, whose projects in space, defense, and nuclear technology guided India into the 21st century. He became the 11th president in 2002. The Wings of the Fire is an autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam. My childhood is an extract from this story. First of all, who is APJ Abdul Kalam? APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931. He was born on 15th October 1931. He belonged to a middle class Tamil family in the island town of Rameshwaram in erstwhile Madras state. Born in the middle class Tamil family in the island town of Rameshwaram in erstwhile Madras state. His father's name is Jainulabdin. His mother's name is Ashiyama. Father's name is Jainulabdin and mother's name is Ashiyama. He was a short boy with undisguised look and born to a tall and handsome parents. The story is started from I was born into the middle class Tamil family. I was means he was. He was means APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was born into middle class Tamil family in the island town of Rameshwaram in erstwhile Madras state. My father means APJ Abdul Kalam's father. Jainulabdin had neither much formal education nor much wealth. Means he was not aristocratic man. He was not a well educated man. He did not have any formal educated. He was illiterate and he did not have a too much property. Despite these disadvantages, he possessed great innate wisdom. Innate means natural. Means if he did not have a formal education, he did not have any aristocratic family, but he had innate wisdom, means he had natural wisdom and a true generosity of spirit. Generosity means quality of being kind, means he was a true kind man. He was really a very kind man. His father was a very kind man. He was truly a kind man. I don't recall. I means APJ Abdul Kalam. I don't recall and the exact number of people she fed. He had an idle helpmate in my mother. He had means his father had a idol helpmate, means his mother was the best helpmate of his father, and name of her mother is Ashi Amma. Father's name is Zainulabdin, mother's name is Ashi Amma. I don't recall the exact number of people she fed every day, means he did not know how many people she feed, means his mother feed every day. Now, I am quite certain that far more outsiders ate with us than all members of our family. Own family put together, means her mother fed more than his family members to the peoples. I was one of many children. I was one of many children. A short boy with rather many children, means he had three brothers and one sister. He was one of those brothers and sisters. I was one of many children. A short boy means he had a short height. He was short by height and rather undisguised. Undisguised means unexceptional. Undisguised means unexceptional. Looks born to tall and handsome parents, means his father and his mother both were tall and both were handsome, but he is different from his father and mother. He was a small boy, he was short boy by the height. His mother and father both are tall and both are handsome, but he was small in the family. We lived in ancestral house. Ancestral house means the house from his father's grandfather's ancestral house, which was built in the middle of the 19th century. When his house was built, it was built in the middle of 19th century. His ancestral house was built in middle of 19th century. In the middle of 19th century. It was a fairly large Pakka house made of limestone and brick. His house was Pakka house. It was his ancestral house. It was built in middle of 19th century. It was Pakka house and it was made of limestone and bricks. Limestone and bricks. On the mosque street, the street that is mosque street means there was mosque in the street. So this is known as the mosque street in Rameshwaram. Rameshwaram is his paternal home, means his birthplace. Rameshwaram is the birthplace. The house that was ancestral house, their father's house, their grandfather's house, and it was built in 19th century, and it was Pakka house and made of limestones and brick. And he lived in Mosque Street, means the street in which there is a mosque. My austere father used to avoid all inessential. Inessential means unnecessary. Inessential means unnecessary. Austere means simple. His simple father means his father was very simple. Simple father used to avoid all unnecessary comforts and luxuries. Luxuries means state of great comfort, means his father who believes in simplicity, he wanted to avoid all kinds of luxuries, all kinds of unnecessary comforts. However, all the necessities were provided for in terms of food, means even his father believes in simplicity, so he refused to use all kind of comforts in the house. Whatever he provided them all the necessary things like food, medicine, clothes, everything that they have need, they provided in the house. I would say mine was a very secure childhood. Means APJ Abdul Kalam had very secure childhood. Means he had all the facilities like food, medicine, clothes, everything was available at home. He has a secure childhood, means his father is very careful man. His mother was very careful lady. He belonged to a good family. And both materially means things, materialistic things like food, clothes, everything was available in the family. Emotionally means his father was very kind man, his mother was very kind lady. Means emotionally and materially both were the things available in the home, so he had very secure childhood. The second world war, the world war that was started from 1st September 1939 and ended at 2nd September 1948, sorry 45, 1939 to 1945. The second world war started in 1st September 1939 and ended in 2nd September 1945. The Second World War broke out in 1939, means broke in 1st September 1939, when I was, means when APJ Abdul Kalam was 8 years old. He was born on 1931, and now the World War that was started in 1939, he was 8 years old. He born on 1931 and now it is the time of 1939, so he was 8 years old. For reaction, I have never been able to understand a sudden demand of tamarind seeds erupted in the market. Erupted means break out. Tamarind brown color seeds that are imli seeds. Means for the reason I have never been to understand, means he could not understand a sudden demand of tamarind seeds erupted, means break out in the market. I used to collect the seeds, means he collected the seeds from the under the shade of the tamarind tree and sell them to a provision shop. Provision shop means the shop where we can buy the supply, the shop that is for the supply of the things. Shop on the mosque street means he collected the tamarind seeds and sell these seeds to the provisional shop in a mosque street. A day's collection would fetch me a princely sum of 1 anna. Means he collected the seeds, tamarind seeds from under the shade of tamarind tree and sell them into the provisional shop, and he collected 1 anna by that seeds. My brother-in-law, brother-in-law's name is brother-in-law whose name is Jalala-ud-Din. Brother-in-law Jalala-ud-Din would tell me stories about the world. Means उसका जो brother-in-law, he told him the stories of the war, means what happened during that war, and which I would later attempt to trace in headlines of Dinamani. Dinamani is the name of newspaper. After that, he traced the stories of World War in the Dinamani newspaper. Our area being isolated means solitary, means alone area. His area that was very solitary, means in a isolated, was completely unaffected means there was no effect of the war on their area. There were no any effect of the second world war in the area, in the means in the mosque street of Rameshwaram. That was very secure place for them by the war. But soon India was forced to join the Allied forces, and something like two state of emergency was declared. After that, there was declared the emergency in India, and India was forced to join the Allied forces, and it was an emergency time in India. The first casualty came to form of suspension of the train halt at Rameshwar station. Means the main problem was there, that was the suspension, that was the interruption. Suspension means interruption of the train halt. Halt means stop, means there was a problem to stop the train at the Rameshwaram station. Means there was a objection to stop the train at the Rameshwaram station. The newspaper now had to be bundled and thrown out of the moving train. Means there was a problem, means there was a restriction to stop the train at Rameshwaram station. So there were the people threw down the bundles of the newspaper outside the moving train on the Rameshwaram road between the Rameshwaram and Danuksudi station. That forced my cousin. His cousin's name is Samsuddin. His cousin's name is Samsuddin. That forced my cousin Samsuddin, who distributed the newspaper. His cousin who distributed the newspapers in the Rameshwaram. It was the problem to his brother to collect the newspaper and to serve the newspaper in Rameshwaram, to look for a helping hand to catch the vandals. Now his cousin, who looked for anyone, any person for the help, and if naturally I filled the slot, means I helped my cousin in distributing the newspaper. Means APJ Abdul Kalam help his cousin to distribute the newspaper in Rameshwaram. I filled the slot, and Samuddin helped me to earn my first wages. First wages means first pay, means by selling the newspaper with his cousin, he earned money. It was his first salary to sell the newspaper in the streets and earn money with his cousin. That was the first salary of APJ Abdul Kalam. That was the first pay of APJ Abdul Kalam. Half a century later, I can still feel a source of pride. Source means rush. surge of pride in earning my own money for the first time. Means it was the first time when he earned money by selling the newspaper in the Rameshwaram streets. Now he started earned by himself. Every child is born with some inherited. Inherited means received an heir. Inherited means received an heir means characteristics into the specific socio-economic and emotional environment. Means every child earn the characteristics from the family. Means the son who belongs to a kind family, his son or daughter may be a kind. If he belong to a respectable family, obviously the son or daughter must be respectable. And if the behavior of the families, the atmosphere of the family defected the children, it puts effect on the children. Every child born with some inherited characteristics means born in family characteristics into a specific socioeconomic. Means if the child belong to a born into a rich family, the son or daughter must be a rich. Belong to a poor family, they must be a poor in family. And emotional means if they are helpful, they are kind, they are generous, the effect of the family must be in the on the children. Okay? And emotional environment and trained in some ways of figure of authority means the family, the effect must be on the families, on the children. Now, what is the effect of the family on APJ Abdul Kalam? I inherited honesty and self-discipline from my father and mother. He earned honesty and self-discipline from the father and mother. He inherited honesty and self-discipline from the father and mother. And he, I inherited honesty and self-discipline from my father and from my mother. I inherited faith in goodness and deep kindness, and so did my three brothers and sisters. Same means he earned goodness and kindness from his father and mother. The same behavior of his three brothers and one sister. All three earned honesty, self-discipline, goodness, kindness from his father and mother. They earned honesty, self-discipline, goodness, kindness from their father and mother. He had three brothers, he had one sister. I had three close friends. He had three close friends from the childhood. First is Ramananda Shastri, second is Ravindan, third is Siva Prakashan. First is Ramananda Shastri, second is Ravindan, third is Siva Prakashan. Three friends. He had three friends: Ramananda Shastri, Ravindan, and Siva Prakashan. Ramananda Shastri, Ravindan, and Siva Prakashan, all these boys from Orthodox Hindu Brahmin families. They belong to a Brahmin Orthodox Kattar families, and they belong to a Orthodox Hindu family. They believed in the Hindu religion where they have a complete faith in Hinduism. The family, their family means Ramananda Shastri, Aravindan and Sivas Prakashan had complete faith in Hindu religion. They were properly Hindu. As children, none of us ever felt my difference amongst ourselves. Means we don't have any difference between the Hindu and Muslim. APJ Abdul Kalam was Muslim and his all three friends were Brahmin. All the three friends were Hindus. He was Muslim, his friends were Brahmins, but they did not have any difference between Hindus and Muslims. Means their family did not teach them the lesson of Hinduism or Muslimism. They don't have any difference amongst themselves. And because of religious differences and upbringing, they don't have any effect of their religion. Means even APJ Abdul Kalam was Muslim, his friends were Brahmin, they don't have any effect of their religions. In fact, Ramananda Shastri was the son of Pakshi Lakshmana Shastri. Pakshi Lakshmana Shastri, who was the high priest of Rameshwaram temple. Pakshi means Pakshi Lakshmana Shastri was the high priest High priest means priest who prayer in the temple of Rameshwaram temple, and later he took over the priesthood of the Rameshwaram temple. Means after his father Ramananda Shastri became the priest in the temple. Aravindan went to business of arranging transport for visiting pilgrims. Pilgrims होता है religious journey. The people who go for the religious journey. Aravindan supported the children who went to a religious journey. And Siva Prakashan became a catering contractor for the Southern Railway. Ramananda Shastri became a priest in Rameshwaram temple. Aravindan supported the pilgrims to go on the religious journey, and Siva Prakashan became the catering contractor in the Southern Railway. During the During the annual Sri Sitarama Kalyan ceremony, our family used to arrange boats with the special platform for the carrying idols of Lord from the temple to the marriage site situated in the middle of the pond called Rama Tirtha, which was near to our house. Events from Ramayana Events from Ramayana and from the life of Prophet. Prophet, a religious Muslim priest, were bedtime stories by my mother or my grandmother. Means his mother and grandmother always told them stories from the Ramayana and from the uh, from the Muslim prophet. They told the stories at the bedtime, means at night they told the stories, religious story from the Hindu religion as well as the Muslim religion. So they have no any effect of the any religion on their family. Okay, thanks. Have a nice day. I hope you must understand the lesson. Next we will do in next class.